Hello and welcome to a new episode of People's Watches. Today we're going to review this Seiko from the Prospex line. Take the cover off. Here it is. Seiko logo printed on the dial. The X for Prospex plus the automatic on the bottom of the dial. Take this cushion out. It has an aviator style with this bezel, rotating bezel, numerals from 1 to 12, the Arabics, white inner chapter ring, gives it a feel. It looks like the Breitling Navy timer. It's not the same, but it looks like it. We start with the case, 316 stainless steel, polished from the side, brushed from the top of the lugs. Both directional rotating bezel, no clicks, sliding bezel. Black dial. Arrow shaped second hand with the red spot at the top, date complication. The movement is 4R 35, let's see, 23 joules, clear case back, unsigned crown. It's push-pull crown, not screw down. This one. Of course, the 4R 35 has hand winding like this, automatic and hacking functionality. It has a black strap, 22mm lug. Here we see the branding on the band. Seiko logo, Seiko name engraved on the buckle. Beautiful watch, not very expensive. You can find it online. Prices are between 300 and 500. It depends. The prices are all over the place. The bezel is black. The bezel insert is black. Coin shaped bezel edges, easy to grip. As we said, clear face back. The crystal is, as we know from Seiko, Hardlex crystal. I love the stitching on the strap. Lovely white stitches. And that's it. Let's go to the sizes. About 44mm in width. Lug to lug is about 50mm, and thickness is about 14 millimeters. Let's see it in the dark and see the luminoid of the Seiko. And that's it about this watch. Lovely watch, cheap, doesn't break the bank in my view. A very good looking watch. As I said, it reminds me of the Breitling Navy timer with this black dial and the black bezel and the white chapter ring. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.